Okay, here we go for geometry homework check 11.4. For the first problem, we have to find the area of the triangle, and we were given it's an equilateral triangle, so each side equals 5. So we're going to use the equation 1/4 times the side squared times square root of 3. So when we plug it in, we get 25 over 4 times the square root of 3, which equals approximately 10.825. Okay, now for problem 2, we need to find the area and perimeter of the polygon. So first we're going to find the degree measure of the triangle. So we're going to take 360 divided by 8, which means that each triangle has a 45 degree on the top. But then we know that this is half of a regular triangle, so we take 45 divided by 2 to get 22.5. Then to find our perimeter, we're going to take A equals 12 cosine of 22.5, and x is going to equal the same. So that means one side equals 24 sin of 22.5, and that means our perimeter equals 192 sin of 22.5, which means the final perimeter equals 73.47. And then to find the area, we plug it in as half of 12 cosine of 22.5 times 192 sine of 22.5. That means our area is going to equal about 407.29. Okay, for problem 3, we're going to do the same as we did above. We're going to find the area and the perimeter of the regular polygon. So we're going to start out by finding our angle, and since it's a five-sided figure, we take 360 divided by 5, which means each one equals 72. Since they have a triangle, divided by 2 equals 36. That means to find the A, we're going to use cosine, so we're going to take A equals 7 times the cosine of 36, and x equals 7 sine of 36. So that means that one side equals 24 sine of 22.5, or I'm sorry, one side equals 14 sine of 36, and that means that perimeters are going to equal sine of 70 times the sine of 36. That means our final perimeter is going to be 41.144. And to find the area, we take area equal to half, this half a triangle, times 7 times cosine of 36, and then times that by 70 sine of 36. That means our area is going to equal 116.504. Okay, for problem 3, we're going to do the same as we did above. We're going to find the area and the perimeter of the regular polygon. So we're going to start out by finding our angle, and since it's a five-sided figure, we take 360 divided by 5, which means each one equals 72. Since they have a triangle, divided by 2 equals 36. That means to find the A, we're going to use cosine, so we're going to take A equals 7 times the cosine of 36, and x equals 7 sine of 36. So that means that one side equals 24 sine of 22.5, or I'm sorry, one side equals 14 sine of 36, and that means that perimeters are going to equal sine of 70 times the sine of 36. That means our final perimeter is going to be 41.144. And to find the area, we take area equal to half, this half a triangle, times 7 times cosine of 36, and then times that by 70 sine of 36. That means our area is going to equal 116.504. Okay, for problem 4, we need to find the area of the shaded region. So first we're going to take 360 divided by 10, which means each angle equals 36, and then divide that by 2 since it's half a triangle, so it equals 18. Then we're going to find A, and since we have our hypotenuse of 11.56, we times that by the cosine of 18. And then we're also going to do the same for x, except make it 11.56 sine of 18. That means that one of our sides equals 23.12 sine of 18, and then our perimeter equals 231.2 sine of 18. So then we plug that, and then we take a half times 11.56 cosine of 18, and then times that by 231.2 sine of 18, and that equals 392.739, and that's going to be the actual area of the figure polygon. We need to find the shaded region, so we take pi times 11.56 squared, and then we take 419.82 times 392.739, and that means our answer equals approximately 27.083. Okay, for problem 6, we need to find the area of the shaded region. So first we are going to find that x equals 7.5 sine of 46.5. And then we're going to find our base equals 15 sine of 46.5. And then we're going to find that h equals 7.5 times the cosine of 46.5. So then we're going to plug the equations, and we're going to take 93 over 360 times pi 7.5 times 7.5 squared minus a half times 15 sine 46.5 times 7.5 cosine 46.5. And when we plug that all in, our area equals approximately 17.5648. For problem 7, we define the area of the shaded region. So first we're going to take 36 times 3, and then we're going to plug that into our equation. A quarter times 108 times the square root of 3, which equals 27 times the square root of 3. And then when we draw out our triangle, we have 6 as the hypotenuse, 30 as our degree measure, 3 square roots of 3 as one side, and 3 as the other. And we know that one side, when we plug that in, equals 6 square roots of 3. So, and we take that and we do the area equals 1/4 of s squared times the square root of 3 equals 1/4 times 6 square roots of 3 squared times the square root of 3. So then we take that, we go pi times 6 squared minus 27 square root of 3, and we get the area equals approximately 66.332. Okay, for problem 8, we need to find the area of the shaded region. So we're going to take the equation that we've used in the past. We're going to take 92 over 360 times pi times 5.4 squared minus a half times 10.8 sine of 46 times 5.4 cosine of 46, and that gives us a value of 23.41 minus 14.57 equals 8.84 times 2, which equals 17.68. So that means our area is going to be that 17.68.